Earn hundreds typing names. $30 per page. Do you want to learn how to make hundreds of dollars in a single day? And all according to your own timing and comfort? Well, keep watching this video to find out. Imagine yourself earning between $300 and $400 in a day by simply typing names. Without investing a penny, earn money online with this 100% free and global opportunity. You can earn around $15 for writing one page, which can be completed in only a few minutes if you follow the exact steps mentioned in this video. This wonderful opportunity works all around the globe, and anyone can earn hundreds of dollars a day by doing one simple task of typing names. So if you write 20 pages per day and you follow our secret method, you will be making $300 every single day. What makes it the most incredible is that there is no limit to how much typing you do. It can either be done on a smartphone or a personal computer. The choice is yours. Although it is absolutely free, the sign-up process could end up messing up your mind. It's kind of tricky and confuses the user. So make sure you stay until the end and watch how you can effortlessly pull off the tasks. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel if you want to learn the easiest methods to make money online. Also, don't hesitate to drop your queries, questions, and opinions in the comments. We would love to help you out in any way we can. With that out of the way, let's get back to our video. Using the calculator at the website we will show you today, you can estimate the amount of money you can earn. To have a look at how much you can earn, you gotta look at the rate per word. That means the money you earn by typing only one word. Here, it is 5 cents as per the US dollar. Now, one single page generally consists of around 300 words. In this project right here, there is just one page. This is page number 2, and here is page number 3. For each of this page, you can earn by typing whatever task you are assigned. Let me show you this page now where you can do this. If you see, there are a total of 300 names that make you $15 on this website. It is possible to take up to 20 pages maximum and earn between $300 and $400 a day. Now here's the website we will use today to make hundreds of dollars every single day. TalentDesire.com. On scrolling down, you will see that this website offers a diverse range of opportunities to work from. These include online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online page surveys. You can do any of the above, but here we will tell you how to do the simplest and easiest of all. No skills or tech knowledge required. See this online typing job. You can make up to $27,000 per year using this method. Anyone from anywhere in the world can do this. And about the joining fees, as you can see, it is totally free. With no hidden charges, you are not asked about any investments later on as well. Your earnings will depend on what level you are, and you will get paid different amounts based on your rank. But now, we will share our secret strategy with you. Following this secret that no one knows about, you can easily go all the way up to expert level. But wait a moment. Before we dive in further, do smash those icons and let us know in the comments down below if you found this video helpful. The first bonus strategy to earn a higher rate is to go to the website ratatype.com. Here on this website, you are able to take a free typing test that awards you with a certificate at the end. Click on the yellow button and simply start typing using your mobile phone or personal computer. Why are we asking you to take the test? It's because the certificate makes all the difference. When you show the certificate, it boosts the pay rates massively, and you get more opportunities to work. Even if you are a beginner and you have the certificate to prove that you have a high typing speed, you will be accepted faster and valued higher. This way you can easily earn up to $300 to $400 in a day by typing 15 to 20 pages of names only. Keep watching this video to see how you can earn the certificate and how you can complete your application on TalentDesire.com. As you begin typing on the website, your accuracy and how many words you can type per minute will be calculated. As you see here, your accuracy can be all the way up to 99.99. Higher the accuracy, the more money you make off by typing names. Let us show you how you can take these tests in real life and get a certificate within 5 minutes. Once the typing is finished, you see your speed and results. Don't worry if your typing is slow or your accuracy is low. You can always go back and take the test till you get your desired results. Scroll down and sign up for a free account on Ratatype. Click the link right here, put in your email address and password. Agree to the terms and conditions. Following the login protocols, you can sign into your free Ratatype account. Now you see the name right here on the dashboard. Here are the typing speed and accuracy results for the test we took. As we scroll down below, there is a certificate. On clicking upon it, It takes you to the page which reads awarded to the candidate's name. A signature from ratatype.com is also shown for the verification of the certificate. Now let's learn how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on the website talentdesire.com. You have to scroll towards the bottom and click the red button reading Apply Now. This brings us to the page where jobs can be applied. Click on the red button, and it leads you to an application form for home-based working. Scroll down to the red link asking you to fill in your details. Accept the privacy policy. Enter all the details including your country. The website is accepting people from all across the world. People can apply from any country, such as United States, Brazil, the United Kingdom, Indonesia, and Pakistan. Do share with us where you're from in the comments down below. We would love to see how diverse our audience is, and we could create videos from the specified regions. Moving on to the time bar on application, you're able to select the time you want. Our advice is to choose a full day. Selecting this will give you more opportunities. Fill in the other requirements of the application and make sure to add your signature as well by simply putting in your complete name. Click the Submit button. Once you get accepted, you will start receiving orders and can earn huge sums. Just make sure you do submissions on time to get more and higher paying typing jobs. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned this easy strategy to earn online. If you found the content valuable, do support us by hitting like and subscribe and share our video. See you next time.